Alright guys, so today in this video I'm going to do a review and a installation of this nail. So this basically is some hanging nail that can hang your picture frame, that you can hang bag on, any basic things that you can use inside your home. So I'm just unbox it right now. So in the pack right here we have two pack. We have one pack right here. And we have another pack right here. Just gonna unbox them. So in the pack right here guys, I have the nail in here. So guys, right here we have the medium size nail, and over here we have the small size nail. So these basic nails are some smaller ones, basically to hang smaller items and things like that. So in here we have a lot of pieces. I think this is basically 50 pieces in all. I think it's a 25 piece in here and 25 piece in here. So basically guys, these nails can hold ranging from 5 to up to 30 pounds of weight without having any resistance on these nails. So I think that is a great choice in terms of holding that amount of weight with these nails right here. So I'm going to install them now, let you guys see how basically it works. So these guys are what the nails looks like, as you can see right here. So guys, I'm basically going to install it now. And guys, I can basically put my picture frame on it like this. Very easy and neat. And I think guys, this can bore on concrete as well. So I'm gonna try it now on the concrete. And that's it guys, on the drywall, and it basically can hold your picture frame on it as well. But bear in mind that on the drywall you must knock it down a bit further to hold a lot of weight. So if you're using like bags and anything like that on it, you have to pull it down a bit further. So on drywall it works just fine. So basically you can put some things on here like your bags. So guys, as you can see, I can put my bag on here and it hold it perfectly fine. So you can hold picture frames and also small items such as your bag and things like that.